Have you ever dreamed of owning a car that refuses to die? A vehicle so tough it just keeps going year after year, mile after mile, even crossing 500,000 miles without breaking your bank account? Well, today you're about to discover the 10 cars under $5,000 that not only hit 500,000 miles, but still run like new. If you've been told reliable cars have to be expensive, this video is going to prove otherwise. Stay tuned, because these cars are living proof that legendary durability doesn't come with a luxury price tag. Toyota Camry, 2000 to 2006 models. When you think of cars that last forever, the Toyota Camry is the king. Mechanics across the US call it the million-mile sedan for a reason. With basic maintenance, this car easily pushes past 500,000 miles. The 2.4L four-cylinder engine is nearly indestructible, parts are cheap, and you'll find them everywhere. Many rideshare drivers and delivery workers trust the Camry because it's built to run all day, every day. And the best part? You can still find early 2000s models under $5,000 in decent condition. If you want a car that'll treat you like family for decades, the Camry is your first stop. Honda Civic, 2001 to 2008 models. Next up, the legendary Honda Civic. This isn't just a commuter car, it's a survivor. From daily commutes to road trips across America, Civics have proven they can handle anything. The engines, especially the 1.7L and 1.8L versions, are known to clock 300,000 plus miles with ease, and with proper care, 500,000 miles isn't a stretch. Plus, parts are dirt cheap, fuel economy is outstanding, and even older Civics hold their resale value because people know how reliable they are. For under $5,000, the Civic is a smart buy if you want a car that never quits. Toyota Corolla, 1998 to 2007 models. If there's one car that defines the word reliability, it's the Toyota Corolla. This compact sedan has been the go-to choice for millions worldwide because it just doesn't quit. Owners regularly report 400,000 to 500,000 miles with only routine oil changes, timing belts, and brakes. The engines are built so tough that even when abused, they still keep running. Mechanics often joke that the Corolla is the cockroach of cars. It simply refuses to die. You'll easily find older models in good condition under $5,000, and with low insurance costs plus incredible fuel economy, this is one of the most affordable, long-lasting cars you can buy today. Ford Crown Victoria, 1999 to 2011 models. Now this one might surprise you, the Ford Crown Victoria. Known as the favorite ride for police officers, taxi drivers, and government fleets, this car has earned its reputation as nearly unbreakable. Why? Because it's powered by Ford's legendary 4.6L V8 engine, which can cruise for 500,000 miles or more without breaking a sweat. These cars were built to handle abuse, long idling, high-speed chases, stop-and-go taxi service, and they still hold up decades later. Today, many ex-police Crown Vics are selling for less than $5,000, and if you don't mind the no-frills design, you'll own a tank that just keeps running. It's not flashy, but when it comes to lasting forever, the Crown Vic deserves respect. Toyota 4Runner, 1996 to 2009 models. When it comes to SUVs that just refuse to quit, the Toyota 4Runner is in a league of its own. This rugged midsize SUV is built on a truck platform, which means it's over-engineered for strength and durability. Owners across the US and Asia proudly show off odometers with 400,000 to 500,000 miles, and many of those miles are off-road. The 4Runner's legendary V6 engines, combined with Toyota's tough suspension and body-on-frame design, make it an unstoppable machine. And here's the best part. You can still find older 4Runners under $5,000 if you search carefully. Whether you're commuting to work or taking on mountain trails, this SUV is a rock-solid investment that seems to age like fine wine. Honda Accord, 1994 to 2007 models. The Honda Accord has been one of America's best-selling cars for decades, and the reason is simple. It lasts forever. Mechanics say the Accord's engines are so well designed that, if you stay on top of oil changes and timing belts, it's not unusual to see these sedans push 500,000 miles. Even the transmissions, often the weak point in most cars, hold up incredibly well in these generations. And since millions were sold, finding affordable parts is never a problem. What makes the Accord special is its perfect balance. Comfort, fuel economy, style, and a bulletproof reputation. For under $5,000, you can pick up an older Accord and drive it for another decade without worry. It's one of those rare cars where you truly get more than what you pay for. Toyota Camry, 1992 to 2006 models. If reliability had a face, it would look like the Toyota Camry. This sedan has been the go-to family car for decades, not just in America, but across the globe. The older models, especially the late 90s and early 2000s, are famous for hitting 400,000 to 500,000 miles with minimal repairs. Taxi fleets in New York and rideshare drivers worldwide swear by the Camry because it just keeps running, no matter how tough the conditions are. With its simple yet rock-solid 4-cylinder and V6 engines, plus cheap replacement parts, the Camry is a legend on wheels. Even today, you can pick one up for under $5,000 and get a car that feels like it's ready to run another lifetime. Ford Crown Victoria, 1992 to 2011 models. Now let's talk about a car that practically built the American taxi and police industry. The Ford Crown Victoria. For years, this full-size sedan was the backbone of U.S. law enforcement and yellow cab companies. Why? Because its V8 engine and body-on-frame construction could take a beating and still roll on for hundreds of thousands of miles. Many Crown Vics in taxi service have logged over 500,000 miles with basic maintenance, some even pushing 1,000,000 miles. And because so many were produced, parts are everywhere and dirt cheap. The Crown Vic is proof that sometimes simplicity is the ultimate reliability. If you can find one in decent condition under $5,000, you've just bought yourself a tank disguised as a sedan. Honda Civic, 1990s, 2000s models. The Honda Civic has always been known as the smart choice for budget-conscious drivers, but older models from the late 90s and early 2000s are in a league of their own. These Civics are cheap to buy, cheap to run, and nearly impossible to kill. With routine oil changes and basic care, it's not unusual to see them cross 500,000 miles without needing a major overhaul. Students, delivery drivers, and even racers have pushed these cars to their limits, and the Civic just keeps going. Best part? Fuel efficiency stays solid even at higher mileages, making it one of the most cost-effective forever cars under $5,000. Toyota Hilux, 1990s, 2000s models. When people talk about cars that just won't die, the Toyota Hilux almost always tops the list. This pickup truck is so tough it's been famously tested by TV shows. Dropped from buildings, drowned in floods, set on fire, and it still started up again. Around the world, especially in rugged areas, the Hilux has built a reputation as the ultimate, indestructible machine. Many are still running strong past 500,000 miles, carrying loads, climbing mountains, and powering through dirt roads. Even if you find an older Hilux today for under $5,000, chances are it still has decades of life left in it. This is not just a car, it's a survival tool on wheels. So, there you have it, 10 incredible cars under $5,000 that can easily cross 500,000 miles and still run like new. From the unstoppable Toyota Camry and Honda Accord, to the legendary Ford Crown Victoria and the unbreakable Toyota Hilux, each one proves that reliability doesn't always come with a big price tag. What's the biggest lesson here? Automobile light bulb. That smart car buying isn't about flashy looks or latest gadgets. It's about finding vehicles built on quality, durability, and timeless engineering. These are the cars that keep running when others have long broken down. These are the cars that save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And these are the cars that give you peace of mind every time you turn the key. If you're someone hunting for a reliable ride without breaking the bank, this list is your roadmap. Whether you choose a Honda Civic for its efficiency, a Toyota Corolla for its bulletproof reputation, or a Hilux that can conquer the toughest terrains, you're making an investment in reliability. Backhand index pointing right, but here's the truth. These gems won't last on the market forever. With more people discovering how tough these cars really are. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, white heavy checkmark, drop a comment with which car surprised you the most, speech balloon, and subscribe to our channel bell for more car guides.